Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today. And for any of you who are new in my channel, my name is Mervice and I hope you're having amazing holidays. So if you're here to know how to achieve the look that I have today, please stay tuned. I'm going to be telling you step by step how to achieve the look. I promise you that even if you've never done something like this, you will be able to do it after watching this video, because even though I'm going to be doing a voiceover because it's a little bit simple or easier for me to do, I will be giving you kind of a little bit of different options and things you can do. I do want you to keep in mind though that you don't need to buy anything for this look. You can always be creative and use what you have. You don't need to have the exact product. So as long as you have at least like one or two shadows, something a little bit shimmery, something a little bit darker for your for the outer parts of your eyes, and you know, just some kind of foundation, lipstick. Like, you don't really need to use anything that I'm using today. You can do your own version. So all I want with this look is for you guys to be able to, you know, just do a little something. I know that this year has been a little bit challenging, a little bit different for all of us. So even though we're gonna be home for the most part, which for me is okay because that's pretty much what I do every single year, sometimes we want to look a little bit different. We want to be a little glammed up. We might want to take some pictures with our family. So I think this is a look that is just perfect for that. And if you're in an area where you're able to hang out with your friends or go out, then maybe it's something that you really want to do. What I did today was that I put a lot of focus on my eyes, and I think that is because, as we know, we all have to wear a mask these days, so please be safe. And with that being said, our eyes is what calls the most attention, so I wanted something a little bit glam. I did use eyelashes today, which I'm not an expert. I am learning still. You don't have to use them, to be honest with you. If I'm at home with my family, even if I'm gonna take pictures, I'll probably just do like a really good mascara, one or two coats. But today I just wanted to be a little bit extra and show you guys how it will look with lashes, since I'm still in the learning process. So anyways, if you haven't hit the like button, I promise you're gonna like this video, so just hit that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching more videos like this. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, and I do a lot of other like makeup and beauty related videos. I have been out of the internet for a little bit, out of YouTube, because again, it has been a crazy challenging year, but I have a lot of good content planned for this upcoming year, and I also have a couple of videos coming out this before the end of the year. So for example, today I'm using a lot of favorite products that I discovered throughout this year, or some favorites that I've had for several years now. So if you're interested in knowing which products those are, then subscribe so you don't miss the videos, and then also hit the bell button, because that is the way that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So now, without further ado guys, I'm going to leave you with the tutorial, which again is going to be a voiceover, and I will see you at the end of the video.
Alright guys, and I'm starting with the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I'm just applying it all over my face with my fingers. As you see, this is one of my favorite primers just because of how smoothing it is. And after this, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand, which is pretty similar to my skin tone. I am applying it only under my eyes just to make sure that my eyes get the most coverage possible, so I'm going to leave it there without really blending it out while I apply my foundation, and that's just to help with, again, coverage. And I'm going in with my favorite foundation of all times, the Steel Lauder Double Wear in the color 4W2. I am first applying it with my fingers just to get the product on the face, and then I'm going in with my brush. I find that this is a way that I can get the highest coverage possible, so I'm kind of just dabbing motions all over my face, making sure I get similar coverage pretty much everywhere. And this is with my favorite foundation brush, by the way, from Sephora. It's an amazing face brush. I'm going in now with my beauty blender under my eyes just to blend out the concealer, and I'm not gonna set the face or anything right now because I want to do my eyes, but I feel like I can't really tell how my eyes look until I do my foundation, so that's why I like to do this first, and then if I get any kind of like any fallout, then I can clean it up nicely and easy with more concealer. I'm going in, as you see, with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and first with the lightest color of the palette, which is called Breakaway, and now I'm going in with my first transition color, which is Riff, which is like a really nice medium brown color, and I am applying it with a fluffy brush just in the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. That's my first transition color, like I said. This This matte shadows are amazing, blend super easily. Now I'm going in with the color Smug, which is like a really nice metallic color, like a bronze. I actually thought it was going to be a little more vibrant, but it's like a bronze on me. It's barely noticeable. So I applied it with my fingers to get the best coverage because I feel like metallic eyeshadows just look best this way when applied this way. Now I'm going in with the color Stranded, which in the camera looks pretty like almost matte, I feel like, but it's like a nice gold color. It's just that since I used Mauve before, which was pretty deep bronze color, now this color doesn't really look as vibrant as I wanted it. I am just blending it out a little bit in the inner corners of my eyes, and I decided to go in with this signature palette by Ofra, just using that gorgeous kind of like highlighter color that the palette has, because I wanted something a little bit more vibrant and more gold. And I still was not happy, so I went in with this ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, and this is just like a shimmery / almost glittery color. I applied a little bit, not really too much, again with my fingers because I feel like I get the best coverage and less fallout. Now I'm doing my eyebrows just with the Precisely brows from Benefit, and as you see, one is done, the other one on the way. I brush my eyebrows down just to help with like the shape and filling in the areas where I'm missing a few let's say hairs, and then I'm just filling in the little areas and making the tail. And now I'm going in again with the star shaped tape in the color 10 Sand, which is a little bit lighter, just in the center parts of my face. I really want my face to look highlighted and nice, so I am blending that out with a sponge again with my beauty blender and making sure that everything looks nice and blended out. And I'm going now just with a little bit of powder. I actually forgot to show you guys the powder, but it's the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which honestly I had not really used much lately, and just seeing myself here in the video, it just looks amazing. It really adds more brightness under the eyes, and with the face in general, it just makes it matte but at the same time pretty smooth. So I really love it. And now I'm going in with that that green color from the Ofra palette just under the eyes. And I realized I wanted a little more bangs, so I'm using Big Sky, which is a green color from the Urban Decay palette. Again, you can use whatever palette you have, you can use whatever color you like. I wanted to use green just because to me it's like really nice for Christmas, especially since I'm doing a red eye today. And I'm using again the highlighting color from that Ofra palette in the inner corners. And now my eyes are done. I did a little wing liner and some lashes, which I normally don't do, but I did it today. Now I'm using this gorgeous bronzer palette, and I am just kind of contouring / bronzing my face, so cheeks, and also focusing a little bit on the nose. You know, I gotta snatch that nose with the same brush I'm using right now. And now I'm using this blush from Too Faced, which is a beachy kind of color. It looks really nice, kind of not too bright, which is perfect because I'm going to have a very bright lip, like I said earlier. And now I'm going in with this Bang Ofra highlighter, which I love. This is the Rodeo Drive, and I'm using it, you know, in the areas where we usually highlight: nose, upper part of the cheeks, and also Cupid's bow. Now I'm using this lip liner, which honestly don't even remember the name. Just use whatever red lip liner you have. I find it so much easier to apply a dark lipstick if you line your lips, because it's just easier to follow the lines like that. Not an expert with red lipstick. I always feel kind of insecure applying, so to me that just makes it better. Now I'm using my Tarte Artist red lipstick, and this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully there was not too much background noise because it was pretty hard for me to record this voiceover today. But anyways, love you guys.
Alright guys, as you saw, I went very typical with the tutorial, and we did, you know, the typical, a little bit sparkly eye. I did do a little bit of playing with some green eyeshadow here, because what is Christmas or holidays without, you know, a little bit of green and a little bit of red, which I definitely use a lot. I went with a bright lipstick, but if perhaps I'm going to wear something like this for my Christmas dinner, I'll probably go with a little bit of a lighter lipstick because I don't want to have to be worried about touching it up. But again, I wanted to be glam up for today, so I just wanted to say goodbye, and I hope you have an amazing holiday with your friends and family and your loved ones. I am so happy that you were able to make it to this video. I love you guys a lot. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching more videos like this, and let me know what is your favorite thing to do during the holidays. For me, it is just spending time with my family, my friends, and my husband. So just that's pretty much what I'll be doing. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be doing this holidays with friends and family or anything. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!